In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage campaigns in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here to the marketing option and click on campaigns in order to see all the campaigns that you currently have so far. You also have the option to create new one once you're in there. Now in here, we can see that I have right here this campaign. So to manage it, you can click onto this actions right here. You have the option to summarize, view its performance, view the details, create tasks, create tracking URL, edit this actual campaign and compare it with other, as well as export it or delete it. If you want to create a new one, you also have the option to create by clicking on this create campaign. Now let's open this to see what it looks like. Now, once you open this campaign, you will be shown to a lot more options. You can add some more assets. You can see its assets, some more details right here. You can customize the date range and the likes. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.